Are you considering purchasing a new tablet but unsure if you should wait for the latest release? In today's video, we'll explore the key reasons why waiting for the iPad mini 7 could be worth it, as well as why it might not be. If you're debating between buying the iPad mini 6 now or holding off on the upcoming iPad mini 7, this discussion could help you make an informed decision and avoid potential buyer's regret. Let's dive in. Alright, let's take a moment to consider Apple's tablet range. With options like the powerful iPad Pro, the stylish iPad Air, and the budget-friendly base model, there's truly something for every user. However, the iPad mini holds a special appeal, particularly for those who prioritize portability. The current iPad mini 6 has been a standout, but rumors suggest that the iPad mini 7 is on the horizon. So, should you hold off on the new release, or is now the right time to invest in an alternative? Let's explore the details. First, let's talk timing. While the iPad mini 7 was notably absent from Apple's September event, speculation suggests that its release could occur as early as October. In an interesting development, the iPad mini 6 has been disappearing from Apple stores, which strongly hints at the impending arrival of the mini 7. For those willing to wait a bit longer, holding off for a few more days could be worthwhile. After all, what's a short wait when considering a new device? Now for the exciting part. The iPad mini 7 is rumored to feature a completely new processor and not just a minor upgrade. Sources indicate it could leap from the A15 chip, found in the iPhone 13, to either the A17 Pro or even the A18 Bionic chip. This would bring significantly faster performance, improved battery life, and enhanced multitasking capabilities, effectively transforming the iPad mini into a compact yet powerful device. It's certainly an appealing proposition for anyone seeking top-tier performance in a smaller package. For budget-conscious consumers, the iPad mini has always been positioned as one of the more affordable options in Apple's lineup. While the iPad mini 6 remains a solid choice, it's starting to show its age, having been released in 2021. With the arrival of the iPad mini 7, it will likely be priced lower than the iPad Pro or iPad Air, offering cutting-edge technology at a more accessible price point. Waiting for the mini 7 could therefore provide both savings and the latest features. Are you a fan of capturing photos or using FaceTime on your tablet? If so, you might want to hold off before making a purchase, as rumors suggest the iPad mini 7 could feature enhanced cameras. While specifics remain under wraps, improvements in camera technology are always a welcomed upgrade. It's amusing, isn't it? Apple encourages us to think different, yet we find ourselves asking the same question each year. Should I buy now or wait? Apple has perfected the art of making us wait, and despite that, we remain loyal, always coming back for more. There are also whispers that the iPad mini 7 might come equipped with a new modem, promising improved connectivity for those who are constantly on the move. Whether you're streaming your favorite content or joining a Zoom meeting, faster and more reliable internet is something we can all appreciate. Say goodbye to awkward buffering during those pivotal moments in your favorite show. Choosing to wait for the iPad mini 7 could also mean investing in a device built for the future. With newer software updates, durable hardware, and support for the latest apps, this tablet may serve you well for years to come. Lastly, let's not forget why the iPad mini remains so popular. Its compact size makes it perfect for traveling or lounging at home. If you're holding out for the latest version of this highly portable device, the iPad mini 7 may be worth the wait. But okay, let's shift perspective and take a more critical view. Here are the reasons why you might want to bypass the wait and consider purchasing the iPad mini 6 or another tablet. While the iPad mini 6 is last year's model, it remains a powerful device. If you need a tablet immediately, this one offers strong performance and a quality display, and is a better option than waiting indefinitely for the next release. According to rumors, the iPad mini 7 isn't expected to undergo a significant design overhaul. If you're anticipating a major visual update, you may be disappointed. The new model is likely to retain the 60Hz display, with no OLED or 120Hz upgrades in sight. The form factor is expected to remain similar, so if you're mainly seeking a fresh design, it might not be worth the wait. While we've discussed the potential for affordability, it's important to remember that Apple is not typically known for budget-friendly pricing. There's no certainty that the iPad mini 7 will be priced the same as the mini 6, and you may end up paying more for the latest features. If you find a good deal on the mini 6, it could be a wise choice to take advantage of it. And lastly, there are numerous alternatives to consider. If you're open to exploring other options beyond the iPad, you may want to look into tablets from Samsung, Microsoft, or even other Apple models. One of these could better meet your current requirements. In conclusion, we've discussed both the advantages of waiting for the iPad mini 7 and reasons you may want to consider an alternative. Now, we'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your decision? Will you wait for the upcoming iPad mini, or has your purchase already been made? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments, and if you found this information valuable, please like the video and subscribe for more updates on Apple products. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Peace out.